Getting started with IT sustainability is a challenge for many businesses. Hi, I'm Linda Demler, Vice President, IBM Global Asset Recovery Services. When I meet with clients, I'm asked questions like, how can I make my IT management plan sustainable? How much will it cost? And who can I trust to implement it? Over the next few minutes, I'd like to answer those questions and show how IBM can help you take IT sustainability and turn it into a strategic opportunity for your business. IBM Global Asset Recovery Services is the largest provider of IBM certified pre-owned equipment. We recycle and reuse over 99% of the equipment we process. Reducing risk for our clients and helping to ensure security is a top priority for us. When used IT equipment arrives at our facilities, we analyze all the components for reuse. In total, our global operations process nearly 750,000 units of IT equipment in 2012 alone. All of our IBM servers and storage are built to our clients' exact specifications for quick deployment. They are remanufactured and updated to current engineering specifications and tested using IBM's manufacturing standards. Why IBM for used equipment? We have more than 30 years of global asset management expertise. We've received broad industry recognition and have a track record of success with many companies of all sizes. So let us help you create an IT management plan that is sustainable, affordable, and gives you peace of mind.